Neýleý, indi biçäreýem. Vatanymda han idim, hanlara perman idim, dertlere derman idim, miskine dukan idim, cansıza men can idim. Neýleý, indi biçäreýem. Gözsüzlerin gözi idim, lalların men sözi idim, il günümün yüzü idim, söwer magşuk nädi idim, hatam tayın özü idim. Neýleý, indi pukarayam. Erem çirereyhan idim, vatanna zerefşan idim, mert yigitde çaman idim, dağ başında duman idim, Pyragy dir, aman idim. Inni weyran bir sarayam.
What should I do, now that I am wretched? I was a Han in my motherland. I could deliver orders to Hans. I was a remedy for sickness. I was a provider for the poor. I was a source of life for the lifeless. What should I do, now that I am wretched? I was eyes for the blind. I was a tongue for the dumb. I was a source of respect for my nation. I was a whim for the loved ones. I was Hatam Te himself. What should I do? Now I am poor myself. I was sweet basil in the Garden of Eden. I was a source of gold in my motherland. I was a gracious horse for the brave men. I was a haze on top of the mountains. Pyragy says I was safe and sound, but now I am a palace of ruins.